Hi, my name is Aurora and I live in Whittier. The windows of my house were very old, drafty, and some were broken. So when I first met David, I actually had a great experience with him. He showed me all the window samples, possible projects or designs for the house that kept the integrity of my beautiful home. So I decided to hire them. So they did this casement window, which is actually one of my favorites. I'm able to look out from my dining room out to Hadley. And this single hung is also part of the dining room. And I just love how much natural light comes in throughout the day. And the experience was great. From the time they arrived, they were on time, super prompt, professional. And I appreciated that they took a lot of care with my house and my windows, and I've seen the difference. The energy savings within a couple months is pretty drastic, as well as just the preservation of the house and the design, and of course how beautiful they are now. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Val from the state of Norwalk. I'm a homeowner here. I did not have this window here, so the room is pretty big. As you can see, the next window is on the side, so there's not that much circulation going on, not that much light going on. So I got a hold of these guys. They installed the window, not this, just the window. And I was to my surprise, in one day, the window was done. I looked, there's no chip on the stucco. I went inside the wall, there's no chip on the paint. Professionally done, very fast, and the best thing about it, they got financing. I mean, it's pretty. The price is pretty reasonable. I mean, I know there's some cheaper guys out there, but hey, I got what I paid for here. No complaints whatsoever. So they got easy financing, $49 a month. I strongly recommend these guys. The window itself is beautiful. I mean, it's. I had a copy from the other window. It looks almost exactly alike, only that this is more modern. As you can see, this came with a window, not a piece of wood like that. It's great, works great. I just tested it out. All right, so this is what it looked like from the inside. There is no chip on the paint. I'm really impressed. And in one day, it was completely done. It works perfectly fine. Locks, open it. Yeah.
I love my new window. I love how it, provides privacy. That was the main thing that I was really looking for. The sun shield it provides that privacy, so no one can really look in, and I really enjoy it. I like the heat barrier too, so it doesn't get so hot in my living room. So I'm really happy with it. So especially at night when people would drive by, you could see directly into my home. And I just like to be able to have those shades open and be able to look out, and you could clearly see it's beautiful when you look out, but you can't really see anything from the outside, which I really appreciate. And also the temperature in the house, the living room. I like that you don't get as much heat from the sun with that shield. Yeah, no, everything was excellent. Excellent service, excellent cleanup. Everyone is really nice and just really great. And yeah, it was a smooth process from beginning to end. So we're really happy. No, yeah, I love it. I love the clear picture that we get going outside. We're protected from the heat that comes in, which is great. It's another added feature that I wanted and that we got, and I'm very happy with it.
My name is Michael Flores, and I'm in the city of Whittier. How I found out about them is there were some guys that came by. They talked to me. Great guys, real helpful. Had them walk around my home. They gave me a fantastic quote. They did a great job. What I wanted to have done to my home is I just wanted a newer look. I've been here for over 30 years. There was a lot of wood on the outside of the house. I just wanted to have a new, updated look, and just completing the job. I mean, you can't beat these guys. They're great. Yeah. Also, on their customer service, they were great. I mean, every time I called them, I always if I didn't touch base with them right off the bat, then they were quick to give me a call right back. These guys were great. They took care of every concern that I had. You can't beat these guys. You can't beat their customer service.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and last year I bought my first townhouse in Norwalk, California. It was a great place until summer hit and I realized that the upstairs only had one functioning window, and it got really hot really fast. So I started shopping around for my first home improvement of installing new windows. And the two things that were most important to me were finding a price I could afford and a quality company that I could really trust. And they had the best price and the best customer service. And most importantly, I felt really comfortable having everyone in my home, making the measurements, making the repairs, and doing the installation that I needed. I love my new windows. I love that I can open them easily and get a fresh breeze anytime I need. I also really like the feature of having the night latch, so I can have it just cracked open a little bit and I have the safety and security that no one can break in.